Black hat?
Yeah, I'm going this side now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, really making a difference.
Yeah. You know, Chinese flyer girl over here.
Yes.
You want to light it this time?
You gonna watch me light it with one hand?
I mean, I don't want you to burn yourself.
Okay. I need a team effort. How about that? All right, this is gonna be scary because this isn't my dominant hand. Yes, kills. Oh yeah.
There it goes. Shalom and welcome to the 6th night of Flip Nas Nanukkah Special, brought to you by Odin MFG. They're the coolest dudes in the world. So show them some love, say hello. And today we're there we go. No burning.
Damn, you did one hand way better than I did yesterday.
And this is my dominant hand. I'm really proud of myself.
We're all proud of you.
Thank you.
Speaking of dominant hand, she's got a Cash App. Help her out.
You didn't spin it.
What are we
Hold
giving
on,
away
hold on.
today? The black hat?
Gotta keep matching, I guess.
Hey, howdy D.
Okay, Andre. I need to stop watching the league again.
We're giving this hat away today. It's black, it's not red.
What are they gonna comment?
Gotta get on there and hashtag day 6
Nanukkah.
So in that order, day 6 Nanukkah.
Get this hat, or I'm taking it home with me.
You will.
I will.
Folks,
Catch you on the flip side.